If you sell on Amazon, then keep watching because I'm going to be sharing 4 content marketing strategies that will increase your sales velocity and revenue. So let's jump into things first, starting with the video strategies. All right, so first, if you aren't aware of the Amazon Inspire tab on the mobile app, then you really need to be as soon as possible. Basically, at the bottom of the app, there's a little star icon, and in this area, you can browse vertical videos just like you were scrolling through TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. What makes this better though is that each video can be linked to an Amazon product page. So if a browsing shopper sees a product they really like in a video, they can immediately click over to the product page and buy it. All Amazon sellers should be creating and posting videos specifically for this Inspire tab and should be hiring micro influencers to create and post videos here as well. It's literally a great way to get a bunch of free attention and exposure for your products and brand. Now, before I continue on with the next strategy, let me quickly tell you who I am and what we do at Evolve Media Agency. My name is Ian with Evolve Media, and we help sellers get product photos and videos created for their product detail pages and storefronts. We find the models, rent locations, shoot the content, and then edit and upload everything to your Amazon account. Our content is guaranteed to increase your conversion rate and boost the performance of your ad spend. If you want our free Amazon listing checklist, organic ranking ebook, and a free listing audit over a Zoom call, then head over to emaamz.com. All right, back to the video. The next strategy is to use vertical video ads. With this new ad format, you can have a vertical video on the left while showing up to 3 products along the right side of your video. This will show in the search results for the keywords you bid on. With this new ad format, you can give the shopper more options to choose from, which will increase the chances of you getting the click. So maybe you show 3 different color variations of your water bottle. Maybe you show 3 different scents of the candles you offer. This new video format is sure to grab attention and increase your click-through rates. So be sure to test around with it. By the way, we can help you with getting user-generated vertical videos created for this exact placement. So reach out and hit us up. All right, now before I carry on with the next Amazon strategy, let me quickly tell you about today's video sponsor, which is Sellico. Sellico is a product launch service that helps sellers get massive sales velocity and organic ranking very fast. Sellico organically ranks your product to the top of page 1 on Amazon and other e-commerce platforms. Sellico does not use paid ads, pay-per-click, or any other standard marketing methods. You can sign up for free using my special link and save 25% off your first Sellico ranking campaign. So head over to evolvelinks.com/Sellico to sign up now and learn more. When you do sign up, please be sure to tell them that Ian with Evolve Media sent you to help support my channel. Did you know that you can now create an Amazon post that is a vertical video? To create one now, go to your advertising console, Amazon ads, that area, and click the icon on the left sidebar that looks like a shield with a heart in it. Then click Create Post and Video Post. Once you have a bunch of product videos created, you're gonna wanna sprinkle them all around your listings, so you're gonna need premium A+ content. Right now, tons of sellers have basic A+ content, but with premium A+ content, you're able to put a ton of different videos in your A+ section. To get premium A+ content, you'll need to have a brand story section across all your listings and have at least 15 A+ sections approved. Now here's a quick hack. This is easier than you may think because you can simply keep making small changes to one basic A+ content section until you have 15 approvals, and then you're all set to apply for premium A+ content. All right, so now I'm just gonna rapid fire some tips and strategies at you to try to conclude this video with a value bang. Always run split tests with your main white background image, 3 to 5 different versions, to dial in the highest click-through rate possible. Take advantage of focus groups by using platforms like PickFu and IntelliV. These can massively help you with product launches, conversion rate optimization, and your keyword targeting. Next, always try to use hands in your product photos as a way to easily convey the size of your product and insert that human element. Invest in getting user-generated videos created by micro-influencers because they perform incredibly well as ads and to boost product page conversion rates. When you turn multiple UGC videos into a compilation video showing multiple people talking about your product, then you'll really see ad performance kick up. So that's all I have for you in this video. I really hope you got some value from this, and I hope you learned something new. If you want to connect with me one-on-one, again, book a free consulting call with me by going to emaamz.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.